Hello everybody, Housewife Until Heaven here. We are in the midst of a crazy snowstorm. The Weather Channel actually got it right. Imagine that. Okay, so we're gonna try to see how much we got here. So
tape measure, here's your 1 foot mark, here's your 16-inch mark, and then 2 foot.
Okay.
Yep, it's a little over 13.
13.
Yep.
Okay. It's supposed to do it all day. We've got about 12 inches so far. Supposed to do it all day. So this is crazy. Do you like it, Bruno? Do you like it, Bruno? Do you like it? Hi, Kaka. Hi. You're kind of like a snow dog. You're not. Come on. Come on and play.
Kaylin, you lost a shoe, honey.
Uh-oh. Oh. This is crazy. Oh, you lost a shoe. Okay. Oh my gosh. I don't even know where the walkway is. Oh, you guys. This is crazy. Oh. This is so deep. This is so deep. Oh, look at this. Oh my gosh. This is a ton of snow. Thank you, Jesus. Oh gosh, this is crazy. This is crazy. This is crazy. It's never snowed like this. Cane Corso likes it though. You like it? You like it? Dude. Hi, bud. Hi. Hi, puppy. This is Bruno. Aw. Now you're going to try to throw. Well, you need a glove on, sweetheart. No, you don't throw the gloves. You throw the snowballs. Whew. It's 12 inches right now, and it's going to do it all day. So 1 to 2 feet is absolutely accurate and plausible. Yeah. I think we're done outside, though. Yeah, we're done outside. Oh, we lasted about 7 minutes. Okay. I know you're cool. I know. Come on. Come on, buddy. Let's stand up. You gonna go potty? Yes.
No.
Hold on. You gotta go potty. I know you do. Like, You're not gonna go potty? Go potty. Go potty. Go potty. Go on. Go pee-pee.
Is Dad playing in the snow? Ask him if he misses having to go scrape Kmart.
Go potty. Come on. Bruno. Come on.
Do what?
Come on. Go potty. It's like, no, I don't like it. Come on. Go potty. Come on. Come on, baby. Let's go potty. Let's go potty.
Does Dad miss miss having to go scrape Kmart?
You don't like to go in the snow.
Mama, look how much
You don't like to go in the snow.
Look how much Daddy does.
Go in the snow. Go potty.
Look at this, Mama.
I know. Go potty. Nope. I ain't going out there. Oh, what is that? 16?
It's like 15 and a half.
Oh!